What's up, guys? Goofy Bastard here. Today is the day we finally make our epic trek down to Florida to meet the swamp wizard himself, Shade Tree Surgeon, and pick up the VMAX. Right now, we're on our way to pick up a trailer from a buddy of mine. He was so gracious to let me use it, let me borrow it. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna go pick up the trailer, and then we're gonna bomb on down to fucking Florida and hit the campout, Forgotten Angels Campout, pick up this motorcycle, and maybe do some riding while we're down there. All right, guys, I'll get back to you in a little bit. All right, guys, we're back. We're in a truck. I don't know if you can see back here. I got the trailer behind me. And we're on our way. Epic fucking road trip. It's amazing though. You know, I've driven a truck for over 26 years. And this is the first time I've ever pulled a trailer with my vehicle, with my personal vehicle. So, we'll check in again later. I guess first gas stop or whatnot. So, probably somewhere around Richmond or so. All right, catch up with you later, guys. Hey guys, what's up? So, we are in Virginia. We stopped to get gas. We stopped at the Sheets here. Yeah, we're just shy of Richmond. We could have made it further, but we figured we'd stop at the Sheets and see what's going on. So, yeah, I figured I'd stop and update you guys. We're making pretty good time. It's almost 11 o'clock. We left at like 7. So 4 hours almost to Richmond. We're doing pretty good. So I'll update you next time we stop. All right? Oh, here, look. There's the trailer my buddy let me borrow. It'll be perfect for a motorcycle. All right, talk to you soon. Hey guys, what's up? So, another fuel stop. We are in somewhere in North Carolina. I'm not sure exactly where. But this truck stop that we stopped in, Kenley 95. I'll tell you what, man, it's pretty cool. They got all kind of shit in there. So yeah, we're I don't know exactly how many miles in we are, but we're like I said, we're in North Carolina. So sorry, it's kind of loud here. They got a generator going here. They got like all kind of construction going on and shit. And they got a generator going here, lights. So sorry about it being all kind of fucking noisy and stuff. So that's what's going on. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We are 7 hours into our trip, and according to GPS, we're going to be in Valrico, Florida, where Forgotten Angels is by 11 o'clock or so. I'm guessing 12 when we stop and get gas and get something to eat and shit. So I'm actually going to get some Wendy's fries right now. All right, I will update on the next one. All right, see you. Hey guys, what's up? So we're back. We are now currently in South Carolina. We are 555 miles into our trip, and let me tell you where I am. Oh, can't see me with the trailer there. See if you can see it over here. I am at motherfucking Buc-ee's. There's a Buc-ee's in South Carolina, dude. This fucking place is huge. And let me tell you a thing. The bathrooms, my God, the bathrooms are sweet. They're nice, and I defiled that motherfucker like you wouldn't believe. And I normally don't do a public thing, but dude, these bathrooms are A1 bathrooms. So if you ever get a chance to defile a bathroom somewhere, defile the Buc-ee's bathroom. Man, that place is cool as shit in there, man. I said, I seen the signs on the 95 coming down. I said, fuck, that's where we're stopping. We're gonna get gas, go take a shit, and move on. So, all right, guys. So we're more than halfway there. According to the GPS, we'll be there about 11:30. It's 5 o'clock now, almost 10:05. I'm probably gonna take a quick power nap and then move on. All right, guys. Until next time, man. Keep you updated. All right, guys. What's up? So it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. It's getting hot out, and we're on our last gas stop before we get to Forgotten Angels. Now we got another 100 miles or so to go, something like that. So this is the last gas stop. So I will catch up with you when we hit Forgotten Angels. All right, peace. Hey guys, what's up? So we are pulling into Forgotten Angels. Finally. It's a little after 2 o'clock.
The destination is on your left. Forgotten Angels.
A little after 2 o'clock. It's been a long, long road. Long ride. After I left you for gas, everything just turned to shit. We were on like 83 different roads in Florida. So, but we're here. And as Shade Tree would say, when he pulls into Forgotten Angels, welcome home. Guess I need to stop here.